What's up, beautiful people? So this is a spiritually cleansing water. If you were worried about the color, you can dilute it a little bit more, but it does not leave a stain. Even you can use it on white surfaces like, say, white granite. It really doesn't leave a stain, and it's very similar, I think, to when people use Florida water. I just found that online. Apparently people that are pretty into cleansing their space and stuff like that, there's a thing called Florida water. I don't know anything about it. I don't know if it's good or evil, or if I have no idea. I just saw that the ingredients were very similar. So we're gonna make ours to hopefully dispel negativity, and I'm gonna show you how to do that now. Okay, so I already made a jug. I'm gonna make another jar for y'all to see, and it's really simple. I've had my moon water. I told you the listing of herbs. I'll put them on the side. It was six things, and I'll just list them over there. And once it's set out in the moon and out in the sun for a full day, charged with positivity, we're gonna use it to make a cleansing spray. I'm gonna cleanse my home. And don't forget to say your psalms over your home and your prayers. Don't forget to wash your door, cover it in the blood of the Lamb, just like in Egypt when they actually used the blood of the Lamb to cover their doorpost and keep out the angel of death. So, strain off your herbs. All those herbs are good for your garden compost, or to blend in your garbage disposal, because they'll just add, you know, a good scent and a lot of cleaning properties. Okay, to our jug, we're gonna pour our moon water in. And that's going to give you about 2/3 to 3/4 of a quart spray bottle. And I'm not measuring this, but it's about 1/4 cup of wintergreen alcohol. Alcohol has a very high frequency. And a cheaper lemon pine salt, ammonia, has a very high frequency. Not vinegar. Vinegar, according to what I've read, I don't really care for the fact that it's very acidic. So if you're washing your walls or your door, it could take the paint off. So, I don't know. I would rather use ammonia and alcohol. All right, we are gonna add 25 drops of this one. I make on my website. You'll find it at Missy's Naturals. The reason I'm using this one is because it has a very strong, high frequency with things like lemon, frankincense, black pepper, Litsia cubiba, which is very antiviral. They use it in Asian countries for things like COVID, SARS, pneumonia, tuberculosis. I've talked about it for years. Highly antiviral. It's also got lavender, lemon, grapefruit, clary sage. So it's an already blended, beautiful scent. I get compliments on it when I wear it all the time. It is probably my favorite uplifting herbal concoction that I've made. So I'm going to put about 25 drops in this, but it does have frankincense, lavender, clary sage, several citruses, bergamot, and a lot of people who make like spiritual cleansing things, they will pull out 1 and 2 and 3, and they'll walk you through all this long drama steps. I just one and done. So it's already pre-mixed. All of the essential oils on my website at Missy's Naturals are food grade, gas chromatography lab tested, and this is one that's on sale right now. I have an allergy one and a migraine one I think is on sale as well as several other things. So I've got my wintergreen alcohol, my ammonia, my moon water, and now I'm going to add a little bit of Dawn dish soap and water to fill it up to the top. And that'll help cut the color so that it's not, it'll give it a little bit more of that cleaning aspect. Dawn dish soap is used commonly in organic gardening to get things to stick. So, I don't know, I just like the Dawn dish soap in there. Now, I wouldn't clean windows with it, but everything else, I've cleaned white granite with it, does not stain. Bathrooms, tubs, get you a metal scrubber and scrub your toilet. get you maybe some baking soda. If you've got some grime in your bathtub, sprinkle that around, spray this, scrub it. When you clean your door, make sure that you put some type of blessing on your home, that I receive abundance in my home, all that God has meant for me. I'm blessed and highly favored. I'm blessed in the city and I'm blessed in the field. Let no negativity or evil spirits, negativity enter. I cover it in prayer, and I cover it with the blood of the Lamb. Just like in Egypt, where they put the lamb's actual blood over the doorpost to kind of repel evil. Y'all, we live in a very evil day. I did not realize how many people will go to war with you in the spiritual realm without you knowing it. So live your life, do your thing, don't be caught up in it. But if you notice some things that I've mentioned in other videos, you may want to purify your space. Or if you just have someone that is, almost like at war with themselves, argumentative, and, backbiting, gossiping, lying, bringing you hateful words, it may be good to cleanse your home. I just put up how to do an egg cleanse and remove negativity from yourself. Another one is, of course, prayer. Another one, of course, is getting plenty of exercise, sunshine, and being out in nature. Another one, of course, is the salt baths. Another one is different crystals. A crystal that promotes empathy, self-love, all of the above. So, yeah, I'm going to fix this up, show you the end product. There you have it. Now I've got cleaning to do. Yeah, so make up several jars of these, keep them in your fridge. You can also use that same moon water before you've added any chemicals to it with some essential oils poured in your bathtub for a nice relaxing herbal bath. Yeah, so there we go. Y'all check out my website, and I hope you have a blessed day.